This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
Which benefit that the usage of VPC provides, such as improved network security, custom IP address ranges, and control over network traffic?
Okay, so VPC actually has a lot of benefits for us specifically. So as a company, our teams actually like goes always for the security stuffs over everything, because like if we have a data breach, then it actually hampers our company goodwill. So we actually kind of need to look for it wherever you can, whenever we can. So for those reasons, that is our first motivation to use VPCs extensively, because VPC has so many options with the route tables and with the subnet configurations, such as we can have multiple subnets for our different use cases. So we have the public subnets for our public services like the front ends, and we have the private subnets, which actually has some internet access, like one-way internet access with the NAT gateway. So that actually provides us the kind of closed box that we can have for our backend services, for our databases. And we have some very critical databases as well. So like the employee informations and the salary management service, the employee management service that we have. So that database actually runs on a database subnet or an intra subnet. So for those intra subnets, we actually don't have any internet connectivity at all. So since these are within a VPC, so all the services can talk to each other with the help of local connectivity, right? But from the outside, nobody can access our services, because technically, since this is network level isolated, nobody can even actually know that there is something here. Okay, there is some instances running here. So even though we assign public IP addresses in our EC2 instances in the intra subnet or the private subnet, we us actually can't access those EC2 instances of our own if we don't use a Bastion host. Okay, so we have this setup so that Bastion host actually stays on the public subnet, and we can access all of our instances through this Bastion. So this Bastion has all of our IP addresses that we have in our own home machines, since we work remote, right? So we have our own machines, and from our home network, it gets an IP address. So the Bastion host actually has all the IP addresses whitelisted. So when we want to access our Bastion host, only we can access, nobody else can access the Bastion host, because we have the key pair and we have the IP whitelisting from our computers. Okay. So that's one advantage we have from that VPC. And on the other hand, since all the EC2 instances are within that VPC, so they are kind of secure. How? Because we use the network access control list, we use the VPC security groups very well, so that no unknown traffic can get through our network. Okay, So we actually use all of those things with the help of route tables as well. So we configure our route tables so that like if we don't know any specific IP addresses or specific CIDR range, we actually don't accept the traffic. We immediately drop the traffic, and yeah, that's what we have. And we also have the security groups enabled in our load balancers. Like we use AWS ALB a lot, since this is a layer 7 load balancer. So it has the option to enable security groups on that as well. So we actually have that secured as well. So this is how VPC actually helps us a lot.